Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best folding saw in the market. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. UTOOL. Triple bevel staggered teeth for ultra smooth and sharp sawing, prevent clogging and binding, 25% faster than traditional hand saws. TPR plus BP non-slip handle with secure gear lock covers blade in folded position, no teeth exposed when closed, compact and safe for outdoor and survival. Anti-rust finish rugged blade combines with two-handed ergonomic handles ideal for gardening, pruning, trimming, sawing, camping, hiking, hunting and cutting wood, branch, bone and more. 10-inch replaceable SK5 high carbon steel blade with high frequency quenching, exceptional hardness and durability for rip cut, cross cut and miter cut. Number 4. Bearhard. Non-slip rubber handle with secure gear lock for reducing the pressure of long-last working, no teeth exposed when closed, compact and safe for outdoors. 2x faster than traditional hand saws, Japanese-style triple bevel staggered teeth for smoothly and sharply sawing, prevent clogging. Bearhard quality assurance, every hand saw is carefully checked and packaged in exclusively designed box for a better shopping experience. Durable SK5 high carbon steel blade with special technique for efficiency cutting and prevent wood bits binding in bushcraft survival and general garden work. Number 3. Silky F180. This professional hand saw combines superior performance and ergonomics with high quality design. The fiberglass polypropylene handle is easy to grip and the blade folds down easily so you can store the entire handsaw in your pocket, glove compartment or toolbox. This carbon steel blade attachment was designed to be light enough to provide a smooth cut through harder objects without the teeth catching or getting stuck partway through. With this high-quality blade, you can complete difficult jobs far more effectively than with an average saw blade. The high-quality and smooth cutting design used to create this saw blade provides you with an unmatched cutting experience. Number 2. REXBETI. Comfortable and longer rubber-coated polymer handle ensures a firm grip in any weather condition. Heavy-duty rugged 11-inch long blade helps you power through thick branches faster. 11-inch blade is ideal for cutting 6 to 7-inch diameter branches. Aggressive staggered teeth allows ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. Durable SK5 steel blade for efficient cutting during camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping and general yard work. The aggressive staggered teeth have been hardened for longevity and provide ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. Number 1. Corona Tools. 10-inch blade is ideal for cutting 5 to 6-inch diameter, small to medium, branches. Impulse hardened teeth for long service life. Extends the life of the tool season after season. Easy to latch blade prevents injury when not in use. Folding blade is curved, taper ground, and replaceable. Ergonomically designed, comfortable, co-molded handle. Provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Up to 6 teeth per inch and curved blade designed for faster cutting. Cuts are smoother and quicker than a traditional saw. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.